Hey there! Welcome to CertBoosters, the place where boring studying becomes a thing of the past, and passing your next certification exam just got a whole lot easier. We get it. Certification exams can be stressful. Because no one likes boring study sessions, that's why CertBoosters is here. It's like having a study buddy who's already passed the exam and has all the answers. Our practice exams don't just test you, they train you to think like the actual exam. If you can pass our practice exams, you're ready for the real deal. And forget outdated material. Our question banks are always up to date and match the latest exam topics. Thousands of learners have used CertBoosters to pass their certification exams and land amazing jobs. And we'd love for you to be next. Ready to crush your next exam? Start with a free practice test, and when you sign up today, use coupon code SAVE50 for 50% off. Let's get you that certification. CertBoosters.com. Boost your skills. Boost your future.